Stone on my tongue, ash in my sleeve. I came alone to kneel and to leave. Cold in the cracks, salt in the seam. You know my name before I can breathe.
Hold me in shadow, hold me in still. Keep the dark near, keep me until
Black Salt Chapel,
Black Salt Chapel.
lay my fear down.
Lay my fear down.
Black Salt Chapel,
Black Salt Chapel.
teach my bones peace.
In the lost sound.
Wax in the bowl, smoke on the beam. Old hands above me like a split dream. I heard the low bells under my skin, calling the wounded back from within.
Hold me in shadow, hold me in still. Keep the dark near, keep me until
Black Salt Chapel,
Black Salt Chapel.
lay my fear down.
Lay my fear down.
Black Salt Chapel,
Black Salt Chapel.
teach my bones peace.
In the lost sound.
If I am marked, let it be true. If I am broken, carry me through.
Open the gates, let the night sing.
I give my name to the hollow thing. Black Salt Chapel,
Black Salt Chapel.
lay my fear down.
Lay my fear down.
Black Salt Chapel,
Black Salt Chapel.
teach my bones peace.
In the lost sound.
Black Salt Chapel, Black Salt Chapel, Black Salt Chapel.
Leave me unheld.
And still not alone.